know you have not staked your time farm allocation, this video is for you. And if you're looking for your answers for your oracle of time, also tune in and wait to the end. Welcome guys, my name is Lago, and as you can see on this channel, I give you guys back-to-back updates on the latest on airdrops and free money making opportunities. So if this sounds interesting to you, just stick around to the end of this video to find out. So basically what we'll be doing is we open the app and we'll be claiming our time farm seconds. Right, so I'm going to be clicking on claim. As you can see, my balance is about 4.4 million seconds. I'm just going to click on claim to claim my seconds. Right, so I've claimed it and it has been added to my balance. So I'm going to click on start again to restart the phase. Right, so after 4 hours, look, I have 3 hours 59 seconds, sorry, 59 minutes left. I have 3 hours 59 minutes left for me to claim the next round of 28,000 seconds. All right, so there are if another feature there is another feature that they added to this. Okay, so which is earn. All right, so if you click right there, it's going to be telling you to do two things, which are staking and oracle of time. Right, this oracle of time stands for some questions which you're going to be guessing. Like you answer questions, you guess the dates and claim rewards every day. And for the staking aspect, you get to lock up a portion of your digital assets for a specific period to earn rewards. Okay, so when we click on staking, in my previous video, I made a video about staking, right? Here they say you should lock up a certain amount of digital assets for a specific period to earn rewards. Okay, so I locked up 21, right? 21,235,000 seconds for 45 days, and my potential reward is 7.4 million seconds. And right here I also did another I also staked another 640,000 seconds for a potential reward of 35%, which is 224,000. All right, so if you want to stake, just click here and click on stake, and then they say select duration. The amount you stake will be locked until the term ends. Okay, so if it is for 3 days, you click on continue. If it's for 10 days, just toggle on these things, and so you click on continue. For 45 days, click on continue. Right, enter the amount, select the amount of seconds you want to stake. Okay, so you have to type in the amount, or you click on max, or you click on 75%. If let's say you have 1 million and you want to stake 75% of that amount, okay, you just have to click on 75%. If it is 50%, you click on 50%. If it's 25, click on 25%. If it's everything, you want to stake everything, just click on max, and everything you have, like I have 4.5 million, so this is 4.5 million showing here. So you just have to click on continue to continue. But I've staked enough. I don't want to stake all my allocation. Okay, so because it's crazy, you don't have to stake everything in anything that has to do with cryptocurrencies. You don't stake all your assets, you don't stake all your digital assets in anything, no matter how tempting and really promising it looks like. You don't stake everything. You stake at least maybe 10% or 20% or something, right? So have the mindset of an investor. All right, so let's go back and we've talked about staking, so let's talk about a very important aspect of this video, which is oracle of time. All right, so let me just click on that, and they say answer questions, guess the dates, and claim 100,000 seconds every single day. Right, this is the question of today. So the question of today is, when did Bitcoin reach its all-time high price of nearly $20,000? Okay, the answer to this question is, let's click on this calendar icon and then click right here to select the year. Click on this 2024 to select the year, and then you scroll down, you scroll up, and you select 2017 first. Then you scroll right to December, right? and then you click on 17th. So Sunday 17th of December 2017, Bitcoin reached its all-time high of almost $20,000. Alright, so you just click on set, and there you have it. Just click on check the date. Congratulations, you answered the question correctly. Come back tomorrow when there will be a new question waiting for you. Now just click on claim 100,000, and there you go. It's there on the screen. Alright, so that's basically what this tutorial is about. I don't want to stress you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.